Today we're talking about 5 fantastic herbs for grilling. Toss clouds of tiny thyme leaves onto vegetables hitting the summer barbecue, like tomatoes, peppers, and onion. It boosts the flavor of pork dishes and grilled fish. Sage should be a part of the grilling herb garden. It is great as a fresh herb, dry rub, and fried sage can be crumbled over a finished dish to heighten the flavor. Oregano is a great herb choice for meat, and it pairs beautifully with lemon in marinades for chicken and shrimp. Use on pizza if you're brave enough to bake it on the barbecue. And chives can be added to marinades for a mild onion flavor or used as a flavorful garnish at the end of cooking. And last but certainly not least, we have rosemary, which provides a very intense flavor and can stand up to the rigors of a grill. Plus, the rosemary's stiff stems are great to be used on grilling skewers with meat and veggies. So there you have it, our 5 fantastic herbs for grilling this summer. Come into Sipkens for these herbs and more.